Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Passion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Passion. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Please do go to my Facebook fan page and give me a like there. I would like to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. I'm really thankful to all of you and I love you all guys. Thank you so much. Last time I saw a blouse decoration and in that blouse I put these sequences, so it was kind of this hand portion done, was half done, and I told you guys just continue with the entire blouse. So I did the same thing. I continued with the entire blouse and I finished the decoration. So today I would like to share with you how you can do embroidery in the hand and in the neck. So here, let's first do the hand and then we'll do the neck. So pulling over here, and then this is how you're going to do in the hand. As the last video I show you, I used tiny little blue sequins. You can get it at your local craft store. And now for this glitter dimensional fabric paint by Tulip I'm using, and I'm just putting some leaves and just a line and some leaves. That's how you can do embroidery. You can do your own design. So just a straight line and two leaves coming out of this. And as I mentioned to you, when this dries, it really looks nice. So like this. Now you will do one side and then you will let it dry and then you will work on the other side. Like this. So I show you the hand. Now I'm going to show you how to do the neck. So for the neck, you can start from any point. So I'll just start from this point to this side of the neck. So all you do is just the way I show you the hand, just a long stem and then two stem coming out of it. Now this is just what I'm doing. You can do anything you feel like it. So just a simple long stem and then two other stem coming out of it. Now I put the sequins in the neck. You can do it with the beads or any other things that you want to put, rhinestone or anything else, pearl. So like this you will continue throughout the blouse, and when it dries, as you saw the other side, it's going to be very pretty. Now make sure you leave it 2 to 3 hours to dry before you turn and work on the other side. So leave it exactly like this for 2 to 3 hours. Now this is, I'm not putting anything between two layers because you see this is very little, barely anything. But if you want, you can put a white piece of cloth between the front and the back. Now always remember that which way your leaves are going. Now these are coming up this way, so you keep the same way. Don't reverse them. Like this, coming up this way. Now over here you can do exactly the same way the other side went. So like this. Now when you doing the decoration, be careful about your hand. Don't mess it up with your hand. And as I mentioned to you, if you do mess it up, just use a paper towel and wash it. If it's a little bit mess up, don't worry. When it dries, it really looks nice. Don't try to be really perfect. Just do it and have fun with it. And when it dries, it will really look nice. So today's video was on the blouse decoration, how to put sequins and embroidery on the hand, on the neck. Now I did 2. I will do this other one, but you will not be able to see it because I cannot pull too much. It will get really messed up. So I will just leave it at that. When it dries, I will go to that one. So that's how you do it. Don't overdo it at the same time. Leave it for a while. Thank you so much for watching. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I will see you with another video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Have a great day.